guys, Long Haul Larry Big Blue. It is April 14th, 2020, and we are off to Wisconsin. I have continuing troubles happening. I ended up having the sidewall blew out my tire, and I had to get a new tire put on in Breezewood. But I'm staying cheery and happy, and I'm heading towards Wisconsin. But I know what's going to make me even happier. I know what's going to make the blues go away. And I'm going to tell you right now that I'm on the phone with John from JVG Travels. We were talking, and I told him, I said, I have to go. And he said, why is that? I said, because I'm coming into a tunnel, and I have to do something to make myself happier. So let's do that. There you go. I think I even did the correct procedure of number of and length of honks. I think that was actually procedurally correct. Now, there's probably going to be a police officer sitting on the other end of this tunnel. That John says that was regulation. I should have put a mic inside my headphones so you guys could hear him, but it was no time. But because I know a lot of you guys have left comments that train guys got to be two long, one short, and then one long. That's the correct procedure. So was that loud for you, John? Did you get to hear it? No, let's see here. John from JVG Travel says hello. Do you know what? Enjoying my book. Is somebody reading it to you or what? Oh, Tampers is reading it to you. There you go. Yeah, I've been getting emails. I've gotten a couple of emails already today because the book came out today, John. This is, it was all pre-order on ebook. And the book came out today. And the Filipino translation coming out. Yeah. Yeah, all you got to do is there's a button on the back of the cover. You just press that button and it'll make it Filipino. But I've actually been having emails from people saying that they stayed up till midnight. So my book could be delivered. You know that, John? Yeah, because my book. Yeah, I had people actually send me emails saying that they sent me emails at like 11 o'clock last night, said that they were staying up past midnight because they would be able to get the book. And people actually, they're like, it's going to be a long night. And I had people actually read part of the book, and I have had emails today and stuff, and they were like congratulating me and telling me it was a good book, and they said, but we didn't know we needed tissues with it. So, yeah, there's a teary section in there, especially when John talks about holding my hand. Alright, well, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll catch you guys in a bit. How fast do you think that guy was going to get pulled over? Wowzer. I thought they were like giving brakes or whatever to truckers and stuff and not gonna pull over unless you're going like 10 over or something. That's what I've heard reports of. A lot of the scales are closed and stuff. They're kind of just leaving truckers alone. I mean, this is 70 miles an hour here, so I don't know. Who knows why they pulled them over? We're actually running the back roads up through here. I ran over to Columbus and then ran the 33 up. Did all the back roads. Now I'm on 30 and I'm heading towards Fort Wayne, Indiana. Anyways, I couldn't get the camera on in time. There was a Tesla that came by before. Man, that thing had a GPS in it. It was like the whole center of the car was a GPS. It was huge. Huge, I say. Huge. It was like the whole center console going from the floor up to the top of the dash. It was probably, I would say 12 inches or plus wide, and I would say it was probably 16 to 24 inches tall. It was a huge GPS. It was like a whole map of Chicago. I was like, wow, that guy really knows where he's going. We are coming up to our old stomping grounds. I was intermodal trucker. Used to come in and out of here a couple times a night. Around and down here to these train yards. Downtown Chicago. Figured, hey, let's run on up through here. Won't have any traffic this time of the night. Be able to fly right on up through. It's actually quicker to go up through here than it is to go around on the toll road, and a lot cheaper. And there is your Chicago skyline. I gotta sneeze. Got a tickle in the nostril. There we go. Whatever was tickling is gone now. Been rolling pretty good. Rolled all the way up Indiana, and here we are coming through downtown Chicago. Got myself 75 miles to my destination. I'm gonna make it. I say I'm gonna make it. That's what I say. I say so. And then I'll be laying my head down, waiting for the sun to come up so I can get unloaded. And then I guess I'm coming back to Chicago tomorrow. I'm not really sure. Big bump. Oh, wow, they've done a lot of construction down here since I've been down here last time. Oh, that bridge looks low. That bridge I just went under looked really low. I'm not going back to Texas tomorrow. I planned on taking some time off next week. Next week would be, I think, a month and a half I've been out here, or a month and 3/4, I think, next week. Bumpy road. But, and I need to get into a chiropractor, and I got other things. I got just stuff I got to take care of. That I need to be home. I need to run around and take care of a few things. And, so I was planning on being home next weekend. Next week I was gonna, when I come back to Wisconsin, I was gonna take time off. But the boss said that he's having trouble getting some freight. Said freight really low and paying really bad right now. And so I said, well, are you talking and he was saying something, oh, you're talking about going home next week? And I said, do you want me to stay home this week? I said, that's fine, I just need to know and stuff. And he's like, oh, maybe. And then he said something, I think I got a short run. I said, whatever. So he sent me another load. I'm actually going to be coming down right down here, just a little west of here. Going to pick up at Preferred Freezer. And I'll be picking that up tomorrow. As soon as I get empty, I got to run back down here, pick that up, and it's going to One of the worst places I said to go. It's a Super Value in Green Bay, Wisconsin. The place is horrible. Horrible. But he was saying something about going up there and then, then maybe going home or something. I said, whatever. And when he sent me the load information, I saw a message. I said, so am I going home after that? He said, I'm looking into things. I'll let you know tomorrow. So I'll find out later today what's going on, because it is today now. So we'll see. I might be going home for a few days. Powerball. What's it say? Your jackpot is 22 million. We can't be together, but we can play together. Well, I'm just going to continue to run up here. I'll catch you guys at the final location. And, what's going on. Well, guys, we have found a place. It's out here in the country. Looks like a new place. So I'm going to park my truck for tonight. I'm going to let you guys go. Hope everyone out there is having themselves a good night, good day, whenever they're watching this video. And if you are not, well, we certainly going to just try that all over again tomorrow. I will catch you guys later. See ya.